we're making products for a harsh environment, and it's a niche industry. It's really low volume product in terms of manufacturing, and so we've had to be very, very good at designing efficiently and manufacturing efficiently. So we've done a lot of efforts in lean, and if you're into lean manufacturing, we could talk about that later. But basically, it's a huge driver and part of our culture of the company to drive waste out of the process. Not just what it takes to build it, but all the components that are used. That's just the mindset and culture we have. And we found here, just with a list of our manufacturing capabilities, we do everything from circuit board soldering, robot welding, engraving, cutting, CNC lathe mills, quality control. Obviously, we've got 3 plastic extrusion lines. We've got molding machines, a full machine shop, and then engineering, electrical, and mechanical design. So it's a full in-house design suite for the environmental product industry. And so we've done a lot of work with other Cleantech companies, which is interesting because we've gotten good at it, where we realize one of our core competencies is designing and manufacturing stuff. So we don't just have to design and manufacture our own products. We're willing to help out wherever a company is helping with the environment. When Vestas moved here to put their plants in, they worked together with us on some of the design, the final design, and parts that actually go into the windmill blades. We're making up to about 96 parts that go into their current blade design in the manufacturing process. Assure Controls is a company that makes a chemical toxicity meter for measuring the estuaries. We've helped them with the design of it, and we'll be doing the contract manufacturing for it, and even helping them sell them. And Carefree of Colorado is a great just example of us being a local supplier. We deliver a huge bulk amount of stuff that they make to do the retractable awnings and of RVs and patios. We've got those electric things that roll out. We'll deliver an order to them, and then when we drop it off, we pick up the spools of the rod that we make for them. We pick those up, and that's our trigger to make it. So we try to get involved in a partnership with our folks to save on the energy, the transportation. We're able to beat out suppliers from Kansas or California or overseas by focusing on looking at the true cost of what it takes for those parts coming from not a local manufacturer. And so that's what we've been focused on here, helping other companies out. And it's just kind of neat. Shell and I were talking about some of the projects we're involved in, and it's strange with all the regulation here. There's a lot of work, but sometimes the change in this area is slower. We're doing a lot of work with mines in Chile, landfills in China, working with them on the conversion of it. Not just controlling the landfill, but doing the methane gas generation with our pumps on landfills. And then we're doing a lot of refinery work in the Middle East, and that's not been my favorite trip to be on of late. It's really hot. You know, there ought to be like some places where it's just okay to pollute a little bit, because it's just really hot, and it's hard to make products to work in that harsh environment, but we're up to the challenge. So that's just a few examples of where we can help out and how that fits into water and the environment. Just excited to hear everybody talking about it, because that's what we do. We like it. So thanks.